right. I was so the former member of parliament, Emma NDC, Edin Sembi revelation be abetuja. Or see, statement now, the Ghana Armed Forces and the Babylon, it is purely political. Because in some na a war press statements and can say a different country and I say Europe country be na war and this time these people will even come out selflessly and have been resigning without anybody asking them to, because I was said be wow so now man and a man some way see ye, but them trying to politicize everything. Actually saying there's something wrong in there. I was here, I Ghana some TV. You must say you must subscribe to the channel number from my green channel I will comment section. You may show me. Mumayantie is Sama, the former member of parliament of the NDC, Enituja, Mayamra. No, I was here. Very, very scary. And we should be worried as Ghanaians. We should be worried. Say, some win in our AC in the military. And then the catcher will say, Reverend in Team Frojo warned us about Myanmar President John Dramani Mahama any military year, which can cost a lot. And then I start to say, ban. I was a Mumbai comment here.
Maintain military for
military for the statement, the main kind of
but I mean, like for me, like I've said it, say what they've said is unsatisfactory. We want to see on one kasa internal ability to solve some of this or to kind of saying punish those responsible and no near peseti. You understand? Yeah, tea and Nubianka, yeah, melu.
Yeah.
Which I say, because then we know, say,
and your business has
not. Yeah, you see, sometimes, say, Abrofono, Omutinia may be as if this thing had happened elsewhere, yeah, Motis and same way as here, yeah, Oma resigning on their own. Nobody will even wait.
The minister.
Nobody will wait for them to even like being country once, because they know that something they should have done that they did not do has caused a situation as I said, Bansa. You understand? And yes, Hana, my confidence, my system, no we say, or Chinano, Obi, Ebeye sure say, Sardini Sibiu. And with what has happened, we will whitewash it again, and then the next moment another recruitment will come and we are very nipa 65 me asamba the same place now May 9th it happened yeah can say crowd then we are going to be when crowd baby didn't we say all these things what I say yeah where crowd will we said it all. What happened to this crowd? Huh? What happened to this crowd? Must I say Gen Z if I say it and say it again. Lord, the quiet crowd be bringing mucha. They don't know how to cross roads. Yeah. I tell you no lie.
It's true.
What I say? Because I know fitting in Colabrem, what you had fun car, school bus, and then no school fitting in Colabrem nursery. Who say crèche, san or the ni ya did not qua bad, did not qua basan, it did not cause a body nana where you on Charlo requirement down to Mukrada. What I say? We must have a certain support system.
Yeah.
Be as a no mood delay in anywhere. Yeah, they be manage them.
It's true.
What I say?
Now you crack keen, now you keen.
It's wrong.
Oh, what is this?
It's wrong. Almost there's error.
Look.
Almost error. No, yeah, they didn't see case.
Yeah, they are bar keen. na obi ba na
what kind of case ya mreso na egwa yan with case it yan case as
remember me yedwuma
almost time na yan fa case and fine about trading ground or na say we briefing na what no want to say look on this training grounds this is the so and so or you condition the condition emergency I had a bad training to me tough in me and go through the rudiments of that training. But then I fear about recruitment unyam fa no now go on for what? Please, they should stop these things. Me president, what can I drink?
Yeah.
But on your show say Ghana for no ebe hu bibia express this thing should not matter. Whatever happened to this helicopter crash, me I won't mean Cameroon tomorrow. In Cameroon too, because
it's been
what? I concluded no there. Technically it sounds good on paper, and I say that baby obi fufro. Everything has been hanged on something. No human being has been blamed anywhere. Nobody.
And I think that was probably the missing way from Enra.
What I said, Bibia has been hanged on something.
All the investigation we've seen, say, Asumesi, Bia Bibi is taking the fall. Nothing.
Masha, and then what is it? That doesn't concern human beings. And I say human beings don't have any role to play in it. What are we talking about? You're fashion from and in altitude and down whatever they call that down draft. Yeah. And I they share down draft there, they share altitude near the human factor. What I say? Oh, these things when this be person playing with your mind, wanting to make you look stupid. What doing like you did? What doing diagro? So at least one person. Now me pakwan to mrada o chale it's that's a group. Yen say we should have done this. Yen fact we bet me the born crash because whatever it. But at least something must be learned. What I say? They say BBC accept from altitude no you calculate physics no you go same. Huh? Physics. And you know yes our calculation no.
In fact, even when before I play no was delay 1 hour because of weather conditions.
Yeah, because of weather conditions.
It's 1 hour not checking weather conditions.
Send out they can go.
Aba projection there's a kukunya crisis I had you know there are so many messages.
A helicopter carrying the defense.
Exactly. There are so many messages.
Me say plane no crash here no.
Yes.
And kumunipa on the spot.
How do you know?
Me.
Okay.
And kumunipa on the spot. And kumunipa no on the spot.
Yes.
And ankomo war life.
Yes.
At the time. Time it took
the armed forces to get
to the spot. Granted, it didn't kill them on the spot.
Yes.
They didn't get bent.
And here
emergency response to go to where that place is. It's also then you can find and also can altitude down
there time what be in poor bantem. And
Oteho NDC 70 obi a oba be pa attorney general o man ni nyina mra kunini fo no ne panyin no o ka kira wo se wono ne Resigned o jelu obi 70 years mo justify unia be kwa kotwa bode bibi be to abusuani bi ne pass sa judgment ni bi mana ya wo be ka se aban na samuti bibia mo be justify o krowem tie boy sa ta yi kun nipa 1000 na ta ba ku bi e wo say mo man je 10 years mo multiply 10 times 1000 na mo nya dey mo fa ma no ma mo ka say your personal interest okobo be ba be ku yenti. Do you understand? Me enya nipa na mo support sa asem we mo dey mo support mo fa position nya dey ma no na okotwe docket pia no child damage ya oba be ka say na oyi oman ne mra na nye fair. Yes, because you got people omo nye fair no omo di oman ne mra na nim e na panelists ne to no na obi esere. You didn't see anything wrong with the statement na man you know. Kwabochire ko yetimi jelu obi 200 years. Not because of judge no interest o. Emra no na ya ka kire wo say wo ya ade awenya mo ma ne say. Enti abochire nipa ba ko awakunu no. Yetimi start free say time a wo gene say wo kokunu no. Ehu jail 5 years. Baby a okoto otuo no na say da so o trim na e san de aka ho. Ukun ni wie ya no reaction kura yetimi de yede e ma o jail ya hyehye wo honom se de ebe ya enkoye bias se wo pe na wo de yede wo de mani pani jail se 200 years no obetimi atwa na ote ase a ono anasem ye kan nso ye wo bibi wo ho so ai bia wo court na ma adwuma na yefo e ma judge ni na na say prosecutors and one na omutimi tim fie ne so based on their choice, but a limit and range. Say, ebia nipa no adiwe na nke be man be 10 years. But o ma case ni e den e fo e ma ye one stress here e wo case ni die mu enti no mo me ma na 8 years. Ebia ye wo ho munim e dey na mo friend penalty unit no.
How can 30 years be 70 years?
Do you understand? Wow. And you didn't think na atai no otiase no na wo di ne bone for sem no wo na wo jeli no odi uboni ni bi any other one from one oya eden the people were requesting upon ye jeli atai ni say wo senki ekuno aden one ye yeso ye de amaye ye na oboye kro no ye na wo kuye ye na odi ewu ye na wo repuye aden ti na one ka say Ghana for ni se yenku atai ni wo nku no na mmom wo asutumi mu enye wono nko a o ne de na aba saa na obi a opposition wo Ghana bia eye assemblyman kraye bi before nya position a eye harassment na omode harass asefo no abrofu nya position a omo hwe kwan be fa so ama asefo na ediye ye sole esi yesua wo omo democracy system ne yede yesua me ma dwimu de asem na papa ne kan no entwa yie ba so si etwa yi a ye ntwen ye nyina ye te Ghana nim